Morning students. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, force. What is force? Force is a push or a pull which comes into play when there is an interaction of one object with that of another. For example, if I want to pull this object near to me, I have to apply some force. Again, when I have to push this object, I have to apply some effort to push this object. So the interaction of my hand to push or pull this object is called force. Let us clear it with some more examples. Now, we can see this toothpaste with a proper shape, and when I am trying to squeeze or press this toothpaste, you can see the change in the shape of the toothpaste. Let's see it again. I am applying an external pressure, external force on this toothpaste, due to which the size of the paste has been changed, the shape has been changed. Let us clear it with few more examples. You can see a half-cut lemon here, and you can see the shape of this lemon. Now I am going to squeeze it. What do you see? The shape of the lemon is changed. And how did it happen? By applying an external effort which was called force. You can see the kneaded flour over here, and I can change the shape of this kneaded flour with the help of my fingers. You can see the change in shape due to the external force which is being applied on this object. Here you can see a small plastic wrapper, and I can change its shape or size by applying some force. So what is force? It is a push or a pull which results into play when there is an interaction of one object with that of another. Here we have seen an effect of force. And what was that effect of force? A force can change the shape or size of an object. Now, let's see few more examples and understand the other effects of force. Here, a ball is present in the state of rest. Now, if I want to put it in the state of motion, I will be applying some external effort or external force. Let's see. Now you can see the ball has started moving with the help of this external force. So this means the force can change the state of motion or rest of an object. Let's see one more example. The ball is moving, and I have stopped the ball again with a force. Let's see it again. So the state of motion of the object was changed with the help of force. So in this example, we have studied other two effects of force, that it can change the state of rest or motion of an object. It can make a stationary object move, and it can make a moving object stop. Let's clear it with two more examples. Now, this ball is moving in a particular direction, and with external force again I am changing the direction of motion of this object. This ball is moving from left to right, and now if I want it to travel from my right to left, again I will be applying a force on the right hand side. Let's see. So I have changed the direction of motion of this object. Now this was another effect of force. Let's see it with one more example. The ball is moving with a certain speed, and I can increase or decrease the speed of this moving ball. So you have seen earlier it was moving with a slow speed. and when I applied a little more pressure, it moved with a faster speed. That means the speed was increased, and I can even decrease the speed. What you saw just now, like it is moving, and I suddenly put a pressure on the ball and it dropped the speed with which it was traveling, and the speed came to 0, and finally the object came to rest. So let's summarize what we have learned today. Force is a push or a pull that comes into play when an object interacts with another object. There are few effects of force. The effects of force are: it can change the shape or size of an object, it can change the speed of an object, it can speed of a moving object, but obviously that the object is moving, that is why the speed can be changed. So here we have to mention it can change the speed of a moving object. Then it can change the direction of a moving object, and it can make a stationary object move, and it can make a moving object stop. So these are the effects of force. I hope it is clear. We'll come back soon with new video on the force.